Iba ang sinasabi sa boss para lang magmukha siyang magaling. Correct, no? This person inadvertently, probably, stumbled upon the elements of power. May iba talaga pinanganak na natural na highly sensing Parang mabilis makiramdam, no? And there is an explanation for that. And it all has to do with the experiences of this person from childhood, especially during childhood, habang lumalaki siya, and then na-process niya during adolescence, and whatever support or lack thereof, that this person got when that person was already maturing. So lahat tayo produkto ng ating mga experiences. But, all of us are work in progress. Pwede pa rin talagang baguhin at ayusin lahat Kaya nga, itong mga learning programs na ginagawa ko through my live sessions na libre is supposed to give you an alternative experience to help you decide whether or not dyan ka pa rin ba trajectory mo na spiraling downwards, lalo na yung mga nangaagaw ng credit dyan. Or some people are doing it unknowingly.